Come here. Look at this thing. Look what we got.
Oh,
look what we got.
The Ferrari.
We got the Ferrari, the Liberty Walk 48. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. We have our 2016 Ferrari 488 GTB Liberty Walk that we picked up from Arizona at Lapin Motor Company. This thing is absolutely sick. Paired with our GT3S, I don't think it gets any better than this. We're gonna do a full overview today of what it has done to it, all the performance mods, and everything to come with this car. This thing is so sick, so we have a lot to review today, so let's get into it. We're actually gonna start with Casey today and all the performance mods done to the 48. Casey, where are we gonna start today?
Oh, there's a lot. And I hope you guys are as excited as we are on the Ferrari Widebody. Did you guys guess right from the video? But starting first, we have a full Turbo Bat Novitec exhaust. Almost messed that one up, Ty. And if you check out right here with the Novitec black tips, looking extra crispy. And then we go here, we have KW coilovers with the Novitec springs. This thing, if you watch the video, I thought this thing was on air ride. It was so low.
It is so freaking low that we can't even get over this right here. That is absolutely insane. Dude, this is the only way out. 1000%.
So we ended up raising it so you can actually drive it and not worry about scraping on a leaf. But paired with that, it does have a tune from Novitec pushing around 800 horsepower, which is mental. On that V8 twin turbo. Check this out, 22-inch HRE wheels wrapped in a 335 Perreli P0 because you're gonna need it. This thing has a Novitec tune pushing over 800 freaking horsepower with that V8 twin turbo. But yeah, these things look insane. 22-inch in the rear, 21-inch up front. This thing is mental.
It definitely is. That first pull that we did in Arizona was nuts.
I think my brain's still in Arizona sometimes because this thing freaking, dude, is like, wah! I was like, wah! When you think of Ferrari, you think about their magnificent red that they put in all the Ferraris that look so amazing. The Rosso Corsa red paint on this Ferrari 48 GTP looks absolutely magnificent. But what's even crazier is that this Liberty Walk kit costed $32,620, which is absolutely insane. But it comes with the front lip, it comes with the side skirts, it comes with the rear duckbill wing that is absolutely massive, the rear diffuser, and then you got your wide body on the front and the rear for the fender flares. But you do have to paint it, so that's gonna cost a little bit more. So probably this kit is probably like $35,000, $36,000. So what I love about Ferrari is that they do their interior right. This is the black Nero leather with the red stitching all across this whole car, but comes with the yellow Ferrari seat belts, and then you have carbon fiber absolutely everywhere in this car. The interior in this car is absolutely luxurious, but is also comfortable at the same time. There's a lot of sport cars, a lot of supercars that have really nice interiors, but it's so uncomfortable to sit in. Ferrari does it right, where you're not gonna get tired of sitting in this car whatsoever. Ty!
Yes, yes.
You forgot one last major cool thing.
I did, and this is the cherry on top to this Ferrari. This has a fully customizable RGB Starlight headliner that you could change to whatever color you want with this remote right here. Absolutely perfect. I absolutely love it. It is the icing on the cake to this car. Just perfection. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video of our breakdown of our brand new Ferrari 48 Liberty Walk. I'm so excited to see who takes this car home because this is one of my top 3 favorite cars I think we've ever given away. But one of the best things about this car too is that this car comes with a year free of supply of oil, additives, fluids from Liquid Moly, so that way you could stay on the road in your dream car without any worries whatsoever. We appreciate Sebastian and his team so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video.